Team bonding takes flight at Singapore's bird paradise. An incredible venue for your team adventure. Over 3,500 birds from more than 400 species, housed in 8 large, immersive walk-through aviaries. Simply paradise. With bird encounters, thrilling scavenger hunts, fun videos and creative photos, every moment is designed to bring your team closer. Discover the beauty of nature while building connections that last.
I like to move it. You like to move it. I like to move it.
For more details, visit SingExperience website at teambonding.sg or WhatsApp us at 917 812 34.